Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. So even before I show you my awesome Thursday haul, I wanted to unbox something really special that was sent to me from a company out of New York, Variety Fun. It is a snack subscription service and they deliver an assortment of delicious snacks to either your home or your office. And you have the choice to either get this monthly or you can get it twice a month, depending how many snacks you like. So the first box that we're going to do a quick little unboxing is their Fit box. And I believe this is the 30 count. So let's just look at what I got, and already so impressed with the packaging. Sent me this nice little card. Hey Rachel, thanks for showing us how to live fabulously on a budget. To show our appreciation, here is one of our delicious boxes of snacks to try. Snack on, Variety Fun. So isn't that nice? So we're just going to go through this pretty quickly, and I'm just going to show you what would be in a Fit box. And again, this is with the 30 healthy snacks, and everything looks really good. I'm really excited. And then I'm going to show you my top 2 favorite things that I'm really going to enjoy snacking on. So yeah, the box is just right to the top. Even with 30 items, like I was so impressed with how beautifully it was packaged. Everything looks like, it's like a friend that really cares about you, and they're just packing all their favorite stuff. The Bonitos we got for free at Meijer a couple weeks back, and I'm addicted to those. So I'm really excited to have a bunch of those. Pirate's Booty, oh my gosh, that's so good. But yeah, I mean, this is just a never-ending box of snacks. So if you have somebody in your house who's a really picky eater, or you just like to change things up once in a while, I mean, this would be definitely a way to go. And everything is perfect for lunches, or, like the perfect little picnic or outing, or if you just need something when you're out couponing because you get really hangry and upset, like yours truly. I mean, this is just a fantastic little box. And these look like upscale Fig Newtons. So I'm really excited to try these and the final little bar. So yeah, very impressed with the first box. Okay guys, so diving into this next box, it is called the Fun Box, and this has 40 classic snacks, and this is the most popular that this company has on their website. And as you can see, it's full of things. A lot of these are kind of like throwbacks of what I used to get back in high school back in the day, and I'm like, especially those Doritos and that, and the hot fries, it's just kind of like a nostalgic thing for me. But just like stuff that my husband likes to have, just something small and quick if you're on the go. This is my absolute favorite, Cheetos. So this is legit company if they're going to be putting Cheetos in the boxes, because that is my absolute favorite. Anything like Cheetos, I just love it. What's your favorite snack? Maybe you could let me know in the comments. But like cookies, I mean, they have you covered every kind of snack, or like, 10 p.m. craving, so you're not running out to the gas station like yours truly, because they really need Cheez-Its at like 10 o'clock at night to watch some crime TV. But even if, this is a great assortment if you have like family visiting for the summer, and you have a niece or nephew and they're like really, really fussy eater or picky, or even it might be fun like to have something different all the time for kids to try for the summer months. They behave all day and then they get something out of the Fun Box. Strategies always, guys. But yeah, a little bit of everything from really sweet to really savory, and I love those little crackers too, so those will definitely be my treat. Okay guys, so no big surprise, the Cheetos from the Fun Box is my favorite, and the Boom Chicka Pop from the Fit Box, I'm so excited to try that because I love that product as well. Again, what a wonderful assortment of snacks. Okay guys, so looking at their website, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of different boxes. You can have the 25 classic snacks, the 40 classic snacks. If you want to go healthy, they either have the 15 or the 30, and there's a lot of food in there, and a lot of awesome food. Okay, so really quickly, just to let you know that this is, of course, is a subscription box, so you're billed for every shipment that you want. The shipping is part of the fee, and you can cancel at any time as well. So, it's just, there's a lot of flexibility here, and if you like snacks, I mean, it's just fantastic. And because they love couponers, if you use the code FUN25 for your first order, you'll get 25% off. They love couponers. Closing shot, guys, look at these boxes, how filled they are. I mean, and they're just so awesome. And again, thank you so much to Variety Fun for hooking me up with all of these snacks. My husband and I are just like so excited by this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay guys, so let's hop right into the deals. We have Walmart right here, more Walgreens, a fire deal over at Meijer. If you are from the Midwest, this is a deal you're gonna wanna do, even if you don't like old El Paso products. And then a couple freebies at Family Fare, and then a deal I'm gonna talk about really quickly over at Dollar Tree. Okay, so the first store that we're gonna talk about is good old Walmart. I haven't been shopping there in a really long time, or just grabbing a couple little things here and there. Like, I haven't been doing it really seriously. I don't know why. I haven't been there lately, guys, and I do apologize about it. It's just like time management, because Dollar General has been like so important in the last couple of weeks. The deals there have been crazy. And if you've missed it, I posted a deal earlier this morning with the 5 off of 25 for this upcoming Saturday, and it's going to be crazy with some of the digital coupons, like deals anyone can do. So you might want to check out that video at the very end, because it's going to be insane this Saturday at the Dollar General. It's with digital coupons. I have like, I think 4 deals that are just off the hook. Amazing. Okay, so let's talk about Walmart again. The first little item, and this is really, I'm happy that I could finally line this deal up. These are the Dove hand soaps, and my mom really likes anything in the Dove line, so I picked these up for her, and they are in a lemon scent. It's lemon and goji berry, and she likes any sort of like foaming hand soap. So I got 2 of these, and they are $2.97 each. There was a $1 hang tag found on the product, so I paid $1.97 out of pocket. I bought is giving back $1.50 for each, making them 47 cents each, and Fetch gave me some extra points for that, so wasn't that really nice? Here's another fantastic little deal on the Downy. This is called a wrinkle releaser. It is a big mama. It is 33.8 ounces, so you just, you know, you might have some wrinkled clothing, you throw that on and it's gonna get the wrinkles out of the fabric. This guy is $6.97. There is a $2 printable at this website, and that's how I got my coupon this morning. I paid $4.97 out of pocket. I bought is giving back a $4 rebate. What? Yes. So it made it 97 cents. So that's a really, like, for a product that's almost $7 to drop it down to 97 cents. Yes, please, and thank you so much. Now, I got a couple little Advil products, the first one being the Advil PM, and I use a lot of PM products. If I ever have a headache at nighttime, this stuff just puts me completely out, so I don't mind paying a little bit for this. So this guy was $4.97. We had a $2 from a recent Retail Me Not, so I paid $2.97 out of pocket, and then Savings Star has a $2 rebate for this, making it 97 cents. Now, his big sister, this was a complete freebie, which is the Advil Liquid Gel Minis, and this is a 20 count. This was $3.98, again from the same insert, $2 off. I paid $1.98 out of pocket, and Savings Star is giving a $2 rebate, making it free. Now, I believe on coupons.com there's also a $2 coupon for this, so anyone can do this deal, so it's fantastic. So if you're in a very similar situation like me, where your Walgreens just does not have these hair dyes, but Walmart does, here's an alternative deal to get these for 46 cents each. And this is a dye that I actually use because there is no scent to it. So if you don't like that ammonia scent and you dye your hair like yours truly, I mean, this is just a really great hair dye. My husband actually complimented me today because I dyed my hair last week, and he just noticed today and he's like, your hair's looking really nice. And I was like, thank you. So use this hair dye and get some compliments. So here it is, guys. These guys are $6.92 each. So for 2 of them, it's $13.84. There was a BOGO free and a recent Smart Source. So I paid $6.92 out of pocket. And then I bought is giving back a $3 rebate, and I applied for that twice. So after I got my $6 back, it's like I paid 92 cents for the 2, or 46 cents each. For this fancy hair dye, yeah, I'll do that any day of the week. And then the last little item I have here is the Persil, and this guy is $4.94. There is a $2 coupon, and I think one of the May inserts, Retail Me Not probably. So I paid $2.94 out of pocket. I bought is giving back $2, making this guy 94 cents. And I have a lot of family members that swear by Persil, so I have no problem paying 94 cents for that. Okay guys, now the next store that we have is Walgreens, and I managed to line up a deal to get this entire haul, which is 4 deodorants, 2 Palmolives, and 4 of the Suavitel fabric softeners for 40 cents. Yes. So there is a Catalina booster that's coming out of the Catalina machine, and if you guys don't know what that is, please check out in the notes. There is a video called New to Walgreens, or the 101 of shopping at Walgreens, just a basic, and I'll show you exactly what that is. It's basically a special coupon that comes out of the Catalina machine, and I got 3 in the last week, which is like unheard of for my store card. I never get them, but they just kept pumping out of the machine for me. So this was the last one, and I wanted to use it today. So what I did was I got 4 of these Suave deodorants. You buy them in sets of 4, and you get back 5,000 points, plus there's a $1.50 rebate for the first 3 on Ibotta. Plus Fetch Rewards, I got back a whole bunch of points for this, like 300 points, which is like 30 cents. You know what? After everything's said and done, guys, I think I paid 10 cents for this because I forgot about my Fetch points. But yeah, I got back 300 points for this. These are $1.99, and when you buy them in sets of 2, you get back 2,000 points. And same for this. And with the boosters that I had no problem grabbing all of this stuff. So let's look at what I did. So 4 fabric softeners, 2 little dish soaps, and then 4 of these deodorants. And I also had 2 iced teas, but I've already drank them. So here it is, guys. $1.99 times 4 for the deodorants is $7.96. The Palmolive and Suavitel, $1.99 times 6, because they're $1.99 a piece. That's $11.94. And then they have some BOGO free, or it's like 50 cents for each of these giant iced teas. So that's $1. That right there is a price point of $20.90. I got the cashier to scan my Catalina booster. It was 5,000 points when I spend 20. Plus I had the 2,000 everyday points when you spend 20 bucks loaded to my store card. And then I presented 2 50-cent hang tag coupons for the Palmolive. So I paid $19.90, not including my tax out of pocket. That is quite a bit, but there is a method to this madness. I got back 6,000 points for the Suavitel and Palmolive. I got back 2,000 for each set that I got, and I have 3 sets right there. Plus I got back 5,000 points when I bought 4 of these Suave deodorants. My booster, I got 5,000 points. The 10 times every day, I got another 2,000 points. And then Ibotta gave me back $1.50 for the Suave, and then I got back 300 points from Fetch for this, so that's 30 cents. So basically it's 10 cents for 4 deodorants, 4 of the Suavitels, and 2 Palmolives. So that's just a stupendous deal. Very, very happy with it, and I mean, that's just really, really awesome. Okay, the next little haul that we have is over at Meijer, and please forgive me, guys. 2 of these boxes are in the back of my car, and I thought I had grabbed all the bags, and I want to get this video out, so I don't have time to run out and grab it. But what you should do for this deal is to grab 5 of the El Paso taco shell products. They are $1.99 each and part of a buy 5 save 5, so they drop down to 99 cents a piece. So 5 of those. Let's look at the math here. $1.99 times 5 is $9.95. The buy 5 save 5, it drops down to $4.95. Now there's $1 off too on coupons.com for these El Paso shells. That'll subtract another $2. You're gonna have to pay $2.95 out of pocket. Ibotta's giving back 50 cents for each of these, so you'll get back $2.50. Plus, this Catalina came out of the machine. Plus, there's also $1 back when you buy 2 rebate on Saving Star if you loaded that a couple weeks back. So it essentially makes this free plus a $2.55 moneymaker. So even if you want to donate these, or you know, you have somebody that you know that like loves hard shell tacos, I mean, this is like freebie and a moneymaker. Run out to Meijer and do this deal. Like, what are you doing with your life? Like, this is awesome. So I'm hoping to do this deal one more time because it is so amazing. Over at Family Fair here in Michigan, Nebraska, and North Dakota, they either have a Wednesday or a Friday freebie and some, you know, plasticware. Definitely great for summer picnics and that sort of stuff. So I did it on both mine and my husband's card. And then over at the Dollar Tree, I picked up a bunch of these because my husband night grinds and so do I. These products, if you buy a box of 10 of them over at like any of the pharmacies, it's probably anywhere between $20 to $25, but at the Dollar Tree, they're $1 a piece, so there's some really big savings there. So for a box of 10, you'd pay $25 at like Walgreens, but at the Dollar Tree, they're $1, and it's the same company, so this is amazing. Okay, and if you night grind, you might want to try that because it'll really, you won't wake up with a splitting headache, that's for sure. Okay, so before I take off, again, special shout out and thank you to Variety Fun for sending me all this goodness in the mail. It is most appreciated. And if you are interested in getting a box from this company, please check out the link in the notes. You will not be disappointed. I'll see you guys in the next one.